In this video, we will learn about present perfect continuous tense. When to use present perfect continuous tense. Number 1, actions that started in the past and continue now. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about action that began at some point in the past and are still ongoing in the present. Example: she has been dancing for 2 hours. He has been sleeping all day. Number 2, emphasizing the duration. It helps us emphasize how long an action has been happening, or how much has time has passed since the action started. Example: she has been studying all day long. They have been playing football all afternoon. She has been working hard since morning. How to form present perfect continuous? Positive form. Start with the subject, add have been for I, you, we, they, or has been for he, she, it, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example: I have been reading a book. She has been playing the piano. Negative form. Use not after have been or has been to form negative sentences and add the base form of the verb with ing. Example: he hasn't been watching TV. They haven't been studying all day. We haven't been eating anything since morning. Question form. Begin with have or has, add the subject, then been, and finally add the base form of the verb with ing. Example: has he been painting a picture? Have you been practicing your guitar? Has he been sleeping all day? Thank you for viewing. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.